Yes, YouTube, it's your boy, Fila, and I'm here live and direct on the Thundercat. On today's install, we doing the legendary Billet catch can on the 5.7 liter Hemi. That's right, YouTube, Team Fila. You see us. And yes, y'all missed this video. I did this video. It's a clean air install. Everything's nice, pretty. It's very nice. I meant to do a video on that, but I missed it. But we'll do a video on how it sounds, since we didn't catch the install video. So now I'm gonna introduce you to our cameraman. That'll be our cameraman today. While I do the install, he drives this, y'all. You see it. That's right. That'll be for later videos. We will be bringing up the video on the bike lives. That's later. That's later. Right now, Hemi life. Install. Live and direct. So we're gonna start by taking off the cover. That always has to come off. So now I'm gonna hand the camera to the cameraman and get ready to do the install. Once again, people, I'm back. I'm gonna be installing the Billet catch can. Very simple install, 15 minutes or so. Right there, level it out, it'll be over. See, once again, we're live in Brooklyn. See, a lot of these YouTubers, they be on YouTube talking how they from New York City, this and that, and they driving this, and they not even from New York City. We live right here in Brooklyn. You can even see our crackheads walking down the street, because we're live, baby. We're live. So now, I'm gonna go get some tools so we could complete this install.